Neglecting an air conditioning condensate drain line can quickly turn a small maintenance gap into water damage, system failure, or mold growth. A clogged condensate drain line causes water to back up and overflow the indoor drain pan, which can damage ceilings, floors, and personal belongings. So start by inspecting the drain line and pan every season. Flush the line with distilled white vinegar or a cup of bleach followed by water to dissolve biological buildup, and use a wet vacuum at the condensate drain at the outdoor line end to remove stubborn blockages. Install and test a float switch or condensate overflow shutoff switch so the system will stop before water spills into living spaces, and wire it into the thermostat or safety cutoff per local electrical codes. Keep the area around the indoor air handler clean and accessible, remove dust and debris from the unit, and filters monthly because excess dust increases biological growth in the drain. If your system uses a condensate pump, test the pump by pouring water into the pump reservoir to confirm it activates and discharges properly, and replace the pump every 5 to 7 years or at the first sign of reduced performance. For long or poorly sloped runs, consider running a secondary drain or an auxiliary safety pan with its own drain to catch overflows. Aim for a consistent downward slope of at least 1/4 inch per foot so gravity assists flow. Document your maintenance dates and any products used so you or a technician can track recurring clogs and respond before damage occurs. Common mistakes include waiting until visible water appears, which often means hidden damage has already started. Avoid that by setting a seasonal maintenance schedule and performing the simple flushing and vacuuming routine. People assume filters are enough to protect the drain, but a clean filter does not stop algae and biofilm in the drain, so use periodic chemical treatments and mechanical clearing. Another issue is ignoring minor leaks or slow drains because they seem manageable. Address slow drainage immediately by locating the low spot or kink in the line and correcting the slope or replacing the soft tubing to restore full flow. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who are looking for work and to help homeowners find service providers. Our community discussion area lets people share experiences, ask questions, and get practical advice from others who have handled similar home maintenance issues.